enough to note the June 2021 auto sales number from the companies, but just before the D-Day, let's look at what is actually expected from the growth in the various segments and also what is the company's specific growth expectation as well. So June 2021 was the first month in terms of the normal sales opportunities, as after the second COVID wave, we see that the lockdown restrictions started to somewhat ease out, giving you a broader sense of the performance expected in the different segments. So this time, two-wheeler volumes are expected to remain weak, while the passenger vehicle volumes and demand is expected to recover faster on back of the personal mobility preference and also supported by the low inventory levels held by the company. The M&HCV segment, the demand here is expected to recover gradually with just a small uptick as of now, but tractor demand continues to remain robust from the agricultural side, while the commercial side continues to be a laggard. Now let's look at the company's specific expectations, but before that, do note that the monthly and the yearly comparison base both will have the lockdown impact. Let's just jump into the company specific expectations, starting with Tata Motors. So this time the company is expected to report sales figure of around 36,306 units. That's a 36% jump on the month-on-month basis. But watch out for Maruti Suzuki. The company's sales figure is expected at 1.5 lakhs in units. That's 216% jump on the month-on-month basis. Looking at M&M, then the auto division sales is expected to jump 55%, while the tractor segment sales is expected to jump 51%. But in the tractor segments, better growth is expected from the numbers of Escorts, with company reporting close to 11,000 of units of sale in the month of June. That's 69% jump on the monthly basis. Switching to two-wheeler volumes expected this time. In the case of Bajaj Auto, the exports are expected to be flat on a monthly comparison, with company reporting close to 3.5 lakhs units of sales, but overall that's a 27% jump on the monthly comparison. In the case of Eicher Motors, the Royal Enfield sales is expected to be more than 45,000 in units, with 67% jump from its number reported in May 2021. In case of TVS Motors, the sales is expected to be at 2.3 lakhs in units, with 40% jump on a month-on-month basis. But in the case of Hero Moto, the company's expected sales figure is at 3.1 lakhs in units. That's 72% jump on a month-on-month basis. But if we see the YOY numbers, then that's a decline of 30%. Now let's look at the heavy commercials. Then the VECV segment of the Eicher Motors is expected to jump around 49%, with 1,828 units of sales. And the case of Ashok Leyland, the company sales is expected to jump 102% from 3,199 units in the month of May 2021 to 6,462 units in June 2021 is what is expected from Ashok Leyland.